I'm like, this dude's got a vending machine.
What's going on there? Yeah.
Push, and he's doing bits. But he showed me his vision board. And he opened his cupboards. This is a vision board. He opened it up. It's just everything he ever desired. All over it. Mad. I remember looking at that. This is crazy. He's like, you've got to stop asking why and start asking how. Stop asking yourself, why you, why this, and start asking how questions. Because when you start asking a how question, your brain subconsciously wants to try and solve the problem. So why have you not, how can I earn more money? When you start flipping everything like that through that frame, and then you start visualizing things you actually want, just good things started fucking happening. Better things started happening. My actions started to be in line with what I was saying and thinking. And basically, he taught me about Jim Rohn, all of the guys' personal development, and then high ticket sales is where money was being made.